Hi guys, Mitchygabz here for today's vlog guys. It's my birthday. So today, we're going to party. Magbabar po kami ng mga friends ko. So, for today's look, so my roommate, Anita, she will do my makeup to match my OOTD for later guys. So, watch out. So guys, this is Anita guys. She's my roommate. She's from Pakistan. She have a TikTok account guys. What's your TikTok account?
Anita Karam.
Yeah, Anita Karamat. And soon she will going to open also her YouTube channel. So she's the one who will going to do my makeup guys for my birthday look. So guys, patatapos lang po ni Anita ang gawin ng aking makeup. And it's my first time really guys pa-curl ng ganito. I love it. I really like it. Thank you Anita. Hi guys! So now, this is the final look. See, thank you Anita. So this is Anita guys. Please follow her on TikTok. What's your TikTok account again?
Anita Karamat.
Yeah, Anita Karamat. I will gonna post her TikTok link in my description box below and at the same time in the screen guys. So, here's the finished look.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome, but try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause